Good morning, everybody. I'm going to be teaching you all today about the drop-down menu and the steps that follow it. Today we're going to be looking at the cow tag and seeing if this cow has received their dewormer vaccination shot. So first things first, we're going to come over here to the cow tag area. We're going to select with our plus button and drag all the way down for the remaining of our cow tags. We're going to click Control C and then come back over here to N5 where we can copy and paste our cow tags. Now that we got their numbers and with the cow tags, we can come over here and select and click all the way down for the cells that we want. And then once we do that, we click the data tab, which mine's already selected. And then I come over here to data validation, and I'm going to click on that, and we're going to click on list, and then we just want to see if our cows have been vaccinated or not for the dewormer. So simply we're just going to put yes, followed by a comma, and no. Once we've done that, we can click OK. And then simply now all of our cells that we have selected have a drop-down list. So we can click right here and click yes, no, yes, yes. So that's pretty much the drop-down menu steps, and it's pretty simple, and that's how you do the drop down. Always be sure to click on your ribbon right here to get the information that you want, the yes or no. But that pretty much sums it up. I'm going to continue to keep on clicking yes and no down the spreadsheet, but that is how you make a drop-down menu.